Hi, I'm Suzanne Smiley with atlasRFIDstore.com, and we're here at the Harting booth with Steve Loyal. How are you doing today?
Great.
Great. We're at RFID Journal Live, of course, and we are here to see some of the Harting products here and in motion. So
Right.
I can't wait. So can you tell us a little bit about Harting before we begin?
Sure. So Harting is a 70-year-old manufacturer, and we're one of the largest connector manufacturers in the world. We focus on industrial rectangular connectors and board-level connectors. We also manufacture Ethernet switches and, of course, our RFID products.
Awesome. Yes, and that's what we're here to see. But I mean, y'all been in the industry for so long. Y'all just have all the different product portfolios, so
Right.
it's fun to work with y'all. And we just got the lock field antennas on the website, so we're glad to be here.
One of our exciting new products that we have is our lock field antenna.
Yes, and that's what we have on our website right now, and it comes in different meters. But tell us a little bit about, I mean, this is a totally different antenna than we've ever seen before, so tell us a little about this.
So many people will look at this and say, oh, it's a leaky coax, right? But it's not. It's definitely not a leaky coax. This is a traveling wave antenna, and the wave travels between these two yellow areas on the antenna, creating a tubular shape that increases or decreases with the power that it sees or with the thickness of the coax cable that we're manufacturing the solution with. As that tubular shape is created, then it's a full RFID field that can be shaped. So you can move this to 90 degrees, you can make an S shape with it, you can make a circular shape with it, so you can define your read field with that tubular RFID traveling wave.
Oh, that is so cool. So what applications is this used in primarily?
So we've seen with our customers and our partners very successful applications with this in medical cabinets or in data centers.
Oh, wow,
for picking up the entire data rack, all 42 positions on that data rack, where a patch antenna would really bounce and have difficulty with this because this is a tubular range,
field.
right? You can bring that along the entire edge of the data center, so it's ideal for data center applications, cabinet applications, pack tables, cabinets, things like that have been some of our most successful as we've gotten started.
Well, awesome, and they come in different meters and different thicknesses as well.
Right.
So this is your largest one, I think?
So this is the largest lock field that we're manufacturing commercially right now.
Okay.
It's an 8-meter active field at a 5-millimeter cable OD. The thicker cable OD will give you a wider read field in that tubular shape outside of the cable, right?
Right.
With the cable always in the center. So as you create that tubular shape, the cable is always in the center. So at 8 meters now, it opens up many additional opportunities for different applications.
Oh, definitely. And if you don't have room for a larger antenna, I mean, it's your antenna and your cable in one, honestly. So that's awesome.
Right, and you can also use standard coax as a extension cord.
Oh.
If you want to use standard coax to bring the lock field to the RFID field you're trying to create, you can do that as well.
Steve is going to take us through their live demo they have at RFID Journal Live. So take us through what's going on here.
Sure, thank you. So this is our smart factory, and what we're doing here is we're showing how RFID can control your entire plant. So we're using one RF R500 reader and 4 antennas, and within this smart factory, we're entering orders, we're fulfilling orders, and then we're shipping those orders and reducing the inventory. So you can actually enter an order over here. Then we can make a selection between dark and milk chocolate.
Oh, good. I like milk chocolate.
Then we submit that order.
Okay.
And so then the order is going through the system, and it will actually be picked up. We have 2 dispensers here, one for each of the different types of chocolate. The chocolate was actually dispensed over here.
Okay, and you can see it right in there.
And you can see the order is in the order status with the correct bin number. Bin 5 has the order. And then this antenna position then will read that it should be diverted. It's a filled order, and it will be diverted over to shipping. And then we can clear the order, and our customers here at the RFID Journal Live then are treated to a nice piece of chocolate. as they got to see the
See the whole
demonstration
thing in
of Harting's
motion.
RFID and our smart factory.
That is so awesome. Well, thank you so much. I mean, this is definitely one of the coolest things I've seen at RFID Journal Live. So I'm glad you got to take us through it. And thank you so much for taking us through the Harting booth. We're glad to be here and glad to see all the products that you have. So, I mean, hopefully we'll see you again next year. Are you having a good time at the show so far?
The show's always great. We're having a great time.
All
Thank
right,
you.
great. Well, have a great day and we'll see you a little bit later.
Thanks a lot.